guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we're announcing the winners from the Colorful Year Hop that we held about a week ago. First, I want to thank everyone that watched and commented on my video. It was so great reading all of your positive and encouraging comments. I'm so glad that you were inspired by my video, and I would really love to see what you create, so please join us at Crafting with Debbie over on Facebook. Here are the 3 prize packs. Each is a digital stamp set from MHK Designs. The sets are Floral Sentiments, Book Lover, and Darling Dogwood. And our 3 winners are Lauren TaylorMade. Congratulations, Lauren! Your Little Red Wagon. Congratulations, Renee. And our final winner is Melissa Hall. Congratulations, Melissa. In order for you guys to claim your prizes, you have 1 week to email onastampage@gmail.com. Otherwise, another winner will be chosen. Thank you again for joining us for the Colorful Year Hop. We'll see you again real soon.